Today, we're gonna be cooking some of our favorite Instant Pot recipes. Hi, my name is Courtney, and I'm the Director of Marketing here at Haven's Kitchen. First up is our 5-minute Romesco mac and cheese. Second is our Instant Pot creamy chicken pasta. Then is our Sunshine Couscous Pilaf. Before we get into today's recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out on any of them. Today's first recipe is our easy Romesco 5-minute mac and cheese. Absolutely delicious, and it blows my mind that it's literally made in 5 minutes. It's a really great twist on your classic mac and cheese. With our red pepper Romesco sauce, it's extra creamy, super delicious, and really easy to make. It's a fun twist on your classic boxed mac and cheese, except it's better for you because it's made with real cheese, not powdery cheese from a packet. It's super fast in one pot. Kids will love it. It's great for you if you're just making it for yourself as an adult. Super delicious. All you need for this recipe are 4 ingredients: your shredded cheese of choice, heavy cream, cooked pasta, and our red pepper Romesco sauce. Next up is our creamy Instant Pot chicken pasta. This hearty chicken pasta dish can be easily made in a jiffy in your Instant Pot. The trick with this dish is adding in your raw chicken cubes with your uncooked pasta, so any leftover juices is super flavored and yummy. Then you can add in the rest of your ingredients right into your hot Instant Pot and just mix. We use it with our edamame green goddess, but you can swap it out for any one of our sauces. And lastly is our Sunshine Couscous Pilaf. Our twist on a traditional pilaf made with couscous, also with our golden turmeric tahini for a little pop of sunshine. If any of these recipes sound good to you, remember you can find all of them linked below. All of our recipes today were made with our all-natural vegan sauces. Absolutely no preservatives or added sugar, so you have to find them in the refrigerated section. Thanks again for joining me today. Don't forget to comment with any questions, like and subscribe. See you next time.